All right, now we're going to move on to our tap mats, so make sure you guys have those ready for the next part of our activity. All right, super readers. So since we've become an expert on all of our letters and sounds, even the short and long vowels, we are going to put those skills to work to build some more words. Because remember, all the letters make a sound, and when we put those letters and sounds together, they make words. And when we put words together, they make sentences. And when we put sentences together, they make books and stories and poems and all kinds of cool stuff. So today we are going to practice building words. So you guys might recognize this here, our tap mat. And we use this when we're doing the CBC words, so the consonant, vowel, consonant. Well, we have this mat here that you guys have at home too that are going to build some bigger words. So this one here is just like the CBC tap mat, but what do we have here at the end? E, that's our magic E. So when will we use this one? When do we use magic E? With long vowels. So if we're sounding out a long vowel word, we're going to use this mat right here. And then on the back, this is for some super smart cookies. I think you guys can probably handle it. This is for bigger words here. So this one has 4 sounds there. And then this here might be for if you guys are doing a super duper good job, we might move to even bigger words, all right? So let's go ahead and get our mats ready. Before we start, let's go ahead and look at what good writers do. So remember, good writers stretch out the words they write. So step 1 is to say the word. What word did they say here? Dog. So everybody say dog. Nice. So step 2 is say each part. So let's say each part. D, A, G, dog. And step 3, write the letter for each sound. So D, what letter says D? D, A, O, G, G, D, A, G, equals dog. So that's what we're going to do as we build these words here. You guys ready? All right. So the first word we're going to write is hat. So step 1, say the word hat. Step 2, say each part. So let's tap it out. At, hat. Again. At, hat. Nice job. Now let's go ahead and write the letter for each sound for step 3. Hat. What's the word? Hat. Nice job, boys and girls. Kiss your brains. Now, what if I want to make that word plural? So instead of saying hat, I want there to be more than one to make it plural. So it'd be hats. What do I need to add at the end here? S. That's telling us there is more than one hat. So at hats. All right, nice job, boys and girls. Kiss your brains. Go ahead and erase it. We will do the next one here. The next word is sat. Let's sound out sat. So step 1, say the word sat. Step 2, say each part. S, at, sat. Again. S, at, sat. Step 3, write the letter for each sound. So s, s, a, t, t, s, at, sat. Nice job. Go ahead and erase it. The next one is map. Let's sound out map. So step 1, say the word map. Step 2, say each part. M, a, p, map. Again. M, a, p, map. Step 3, write the letter for each sound. So what letter is M, a, Map. Map. What's the word? Map. Like I had a map. Now, what if I wanted to make it plural, so meaning there was more than one map? So the word would be maps. What would I do? Nice job. I would add an S to the end. Maps. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, go ahead and erase it. Alrighty. The next word we are going to sound out is going to be lamp. So say lamp. Lamp. Now let's sound out lamp. Oh, so this one only has the 3 sounds. So let's flip over to the back for this one here. Let's see if this one will work. Let's tap it out first. Oh, lamp. Does that one work? It sure does. Let's tap it out one more time. Oh, lamp. All right, so let's go to step 3. Write the letter for each sound. O, lamp. Lamp. Nice job. That was a big word. Boys and girls, go ahead and kiss your brains. Lamp. All right, let's go ahead and erase that. Now, the next word we're going to sound out is stamp. Say stamp. Stamp. Now, stamp begins with st, st. What sound letters say st, st? S and T. So we're going to put those together because when we put S and T together, it says st, like in stop and stamp. So st, stamp. All right, let's go and write it. So st, st. That was S, T, st, stamp. Stamp. What's the word? Stamp. Now, what if I wanted to make it plural, meaning there's more than one stamp? How would I say that? Stamps. So what do I need to do to make it plural? Add an S at the end. Stamps. Stamps. Nice job, boys and girls. Kiss your brains. All right, you guys did an awesome job building those words. Now we are going to use those words that we just built in our next assignment. All right, boys and girls, since you guys did such a great job sounding out and building those words, we're going to put those skills to work now. So we're going to look at this page here in our packet. So the first thing we do is always the same. We pick up our pencil and we write our name. Remember, I'm going to use a pen so that way you guys can see it easier on the screen. But it's easier to use a pencil. That way if you mess up, you can erase it. All right, so the directions say, listen as I read each sentence. Look at the picture. Blend and read each word. Circle the best word to fill the blank and then write the word on the line. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Sam blank on a rock. Sam blank on a rock. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our 2 words here. So our 2 choices. Hat. Sat. All right, so let's try putting both of them in the sentence and see if it matches the picture. Sam hat on a rock. Does that look like Sam hats on a rock? No, that's silly. So I'm going to cross that one out. I know that's not it. Sam sat on a rock. Does that make sense to you? It does to me too, because it looks like this must be Sam, and he is sitting on a rock. So Sam sat on a rock. So I'm going to circle sat, and then I'm going to write it on the line. And since we're getting so close to first grade, I want to make sure you guys are using 3-star handwriting. So should we have an uppercase letter in the middle of a word or sentence? No way, Jose. All right. Number 2. Where is the blank? Where is the blank? All right, so let's send out these two words here. Map. Map. Lap. All right, so we have map and lap. Let's put them both in the sentence. Where is the map? Where is the map? Does that look like a map there? Does that make sense? That does make sense to me, and it looks like it matches the picture. Let's double check the second one, though, just to make sure. Where is the lap? Where is the lap? Does that make sense with that picture? No, so I'm going to cross that one out. Where is the map? And I see a question mark at the end of that sentence, so I know it's asking a question. Map. Where is the map? All right, let's look at number 3 here. The letter needs a blank. The letter needs a blank. All right. Ooh, we practice with these right here. These are some bigger words. Do you guys think you could sound them out? I think you guys can too. Come on, super readers. All right. Stamp. Stamp. What's the word? Stamp. All right. Let's sound out this one. Lamp. 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 All right. So we have stamp and lamp. Let's put them both in the sentence to see which one makes most sense with the picture. The letter needs a stamp. The letter needs a stamp. Does that make sense there? I think that makes sense. Let's go ahead and check the second one just to make sure. The letter needs a lamp. The letter needs a lamp. Does that look like that picture right there? I don't think so. So the letter needs a stamp. So I'm going to circle stamp and then write it on the line. So when you mail a letter, you have to put a stamp on it. Some of you guys might have gotten your postcards, and you might notice up in the top corner there is a stamp because I needed that to mail to you guys. All right, let's look at the last one here. Ooh, what do I see there at the end of that first word? Magic E. So I know this vowel is going to be long. Let's sound it out. Wipe your shoes on the blank. Wipe your shoes on the blank. Let's see. Let's sound out these two words here. Mat. Let's sound out this one. Pat. Let's put them both in the sentence to see which one makes the most sense. Wipe your shoes on the mat. Wipe your shoes on the mat. Does that make sense? That does make sense to me because when I usually walk in the house, I usually wipe my shoes on the mat first. Let's go ahead and double check the second one just to make sure. Wipe your shoes on the pat. Does that make sense? No way, Jose. All right, so I know we're going to put mat. Wipe your shoes on the mat. So I'm going to circle mat and then write it on the line. Mat. Wipe your, oh my goodness gracious, Miss Carol messed that one up, huh? That's why it's best to write with a pencil. Alrighty. You know what I'll use real quick? I'll use my whiteout. Silly Miss Carol. Mat. Wipe your shoes on the mat. Alrighty, boys and girls. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys are not only sounding out and writing words, but you're putting them in sentences. So kiss your brains. Great job with that, and we'll practice some more with building words tomorrow.